In our removing items from a list lesson, we're looking at the first challenge. It says, what's the proper combination of ways to remove the fish item from the following list? The first one says list.remove, and then the parameter, the argument given is fish. That looks good to me. The second is del list square brackets -2. That's going to remove this second item, the second to last item. That's puppy, so I can't say that one's correct. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Next up, we have del list square brackets with fish. This is actually the square brackets, right? This is like list slicing. Only integers are valid input, so this would actually throw an exception. I know this can't be my solution, so we'll move on to the next one. This one says del list -3. That's the item. We want to delete the item. That is the third to last item. So I got 1, 2, 3. That's fish. That's what I want to delete. I've also have list.remove with the string fish, capital F. That looks good to me. I think I've got the right thing here. So let's go ahead and look at the last one just in case. It says list remove -3. So the dot remove, right? That takes some sort of value that you want to remove from the list. There is no -3 integer in my list, so it's not actually going to change the list at all. So I can't see, right? And it's certainly not going to remove anything that's a string named fish, right? So I can tell that my third option is the best solution here, and that is correct. We'll go ahead and see you in the next video for the second challenge.